Hello everyone, how are you doing guys? Today I'm in Alqusais near Qusais metro station. The area was very busy because so many facilities are here like metro station, banks. As you can see, I can zoom in for the bank. You see so many banks. If you go more further, you will find the KFC also available to eat. So many places to eat like shawarma, and the good part is the metro station. As you can see, the metro station also there available, and I'll show you upper level, and you can see the front of metro station, very beautiful mosque. And if you see just front of me, you can see the Astra clinic, I guess, and then metro station, and then Al Tawar Center. If you go more further, you see the metro station. You see we are here to eat on this restaurant. Its name is Top Restaurant. So you can see this is the car wash, and I hope you guys clear me very well. If I go more, we will see. Let's check it out. Let's check what is more. See one more small alley. We found the mosque, and then the area was very busy in the early morning or the evening time because traffic is. I think it's the main road to connect to the highway, motorway. See more. Let me see here. Now we are in Emirates Islamic Bank, and if I go more further, I can find some more banks here. I think this is a very famous street. People coming across here to eat or enjoy. I have to tell you one thing. This is very good for residents, but the area was so busy because too much traffic, parking problem. Parking area is there, but people have to pay, and I think it's not for me. I don't prefer to live in this area for myself because the area was too much busy, and always you found traffic. So I hope you enjoy my video. I'm trying to go back to my dinner now, and right now the time is around 11:30 or something, midnight, almost midnight, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, I will do some more videos sooner or later, maybe tomorrow, so you will enjoy a lot. I will try my new view tomorrow. Maybe it's a different location. I don't know where, but I will be there shortly because I need some more good videos and I need some good reviews from you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful good night. Bye bye.